Okay, in this lecture, let's look at how to enter data into your cells and also how to navigate around your cells. So in the last lecture, we already figured out how to type hello into a field. Let's just change this because ultimately we're going to create a kitchen remodeling worksheet. So let's type cabinets here. And once you've typed it in, you can either click the check mark button here, that's the same as enter, or you can hit the enter key on your keyboard. And you now have an entry in your cell. Let's just fill out a couple more cells over here. Let's say we're putting prices on these. Type in 1,000, and then you click tab and it will send you over to the next cell. And you can keep doing that all the way across the spreadsheet until you're done. Another really neat trick as far as copying a bunch of information is if you click in one cell and you hover your cursor over this little square in the bottom right corner, notice your cursor will turn into a thin cross rather than the thick cross. Then you left click on that and you can drag that down as many cells as you want and release it, and it will copy that all the way down that column. Now obviously I don't want that there, so I'm going to undo that. But that's a really quick and easy way to copy a lot of things. You can also click in one cell and right click and click copy and see it'll highlight it. Then you click on another cell and right click it and you can paste it. It has all kinds of paste options. You can paste it simply, you can paste just the numbers, you can paste formulas, and so on and so forth. But I'm just going to paste that number in there. And then you can click anywhere twice to get out of the copy and paste mode. And then, of course, I'm going to undo that as well. And to move through your spreadsheet from cell to cell, you can hit the up arrow key, the left arrow key, the down arrow key, or the right arrow key, or you can just move and click with your mouse. To highlight cells, you can left click with your mouse and you can drag it. So you can drag it across or down or left, and it will highlight as many cells as you want to highlight. And when you release it, it'll be highlighted. To unhighlight this, you just click anywhere on one cell. You can also click on a cell and then hit the shift arrow keys. So if I hit shift and right arrow, it goes to the right. If I hit shift and down arrow, it goes down. And shift and left arrow, it goes back in. Shift and up arrow, it goes back up. So that's how you enter data into your cells and also how you navigate around cells quickly and easily.